Now paper number 264. Now in this question number 66. Now it is based on circular arrangement. How many persons are there? There are only 7 persons. Now these 7 persons are seated around a circular table, and all the persons, any information given regarding this one, and the distance between adjacent persons is same. As there is no information about the number and there is no information about the direction of these persons. మరి ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి? By default they are facing towards center only. And if at all, if any person is facing away from the center, then it is his responsibility to provide that information. As that information is not given, by default we need to take it as towards the center only. Then M is seated second to the right of C. Now I have fixed C at this place. M is here. M is seated second to the right of C. A is immediate to neither C nor M. A is not adjacent to C and M. A cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. A cannot be in these 3 places. And next one, U is to the immediate left of A. And U is to the immediate left of A. Now based on this one, if A is at this place and U is to the immediate left of A, that is one possibility. And what is the second possibility? If A is here and U will be here, that is the second possibility. And 2 persons are in between U and N. Now 2 in between U and N. Now if U is at this place and 2 in between U and N, N must be at this place. And next one, G and C are not immediate neighbors. And finally G and C are not immediate neighbors. మరి ఎక్కడ రావాలి చెప్పండి? G and C are not immediate neighbors. G must be at this place. Or G is here. అంతే కదా? And next one, and the number of persons sitting between A and N is same as between A and P. A and N. A and N, N and P is the same. Finally we are getting P here. A and N, how many people? There are 2 people. A and P adjacent to each other. Is it possible? No. Hence the A, whatever you have taken A at this place is completely not possible. Then what is the next possibility we have? A is here and U is here, and 2 persons between U and N, 2 persons between U and N. Now 1, 2, N must be here. And number of persons between A and N is 1, and at the same time N and P there is exactly 1, P must be here. Now P is, sir, who is the person left over? G. G must be at this place. Then who is seated second to the left of C? Second to the left of C, who is that person? G. Choice 2, question number 66. And what is the position of A from P? Position of A from P, 1 to 3rd to the right or 4th to the left? 3rd to the right or 4th to the left, both 3 and 4, choice 5, question number 67. How many persons are sitting between P and U to the right of P? P and U from the right hand side of P, there is only 1 person, choice 4, 68. The next one, who among the following pairs is immediate neighbors? Now P and M are immediate neighbors, definitely 2, choice 1. And find the odd one out here, A and N. Now between A and N there is exactly 1 person here, and G and C 1 person, P and U 1 person, A and P there are 2 persons, choice 4, question number 70. Then next one, 71 onwards. Now in this question number 71, now both the conclusions are in between Q and T. Now Q is here, T is here. Q greater than T is true, Q equals to T is false. And so what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, choice 2, question number 71. Then 72, the relation between F and C. Now X equals to F, in the place of X we can take it as F. C lesser than F means F greater than C is definitely true. And B and S. B is here, S is here. Now between these two, B greater than X, B greater than X, C lesser than X means X greater than C. Hence B greater than, and X equals to S. Hence B greater than S is definitely true. Hence what is your answer? Both, choice 2, question number 72. 73, the relation between Y and S. S lesser than or equals to Y means Y is either greater or equal. Either greater or equal, choice 3, question number 73. Now F and B. Now B is here, F greater than B, B lesser, F greater than B. And B and G. Now G greater than B is true, B lesser than G is also true. Hence both 1 and 2, choice 4, question number 74. And 75, S and V. S greater than V is true, equal to V is false, only 2 follows. Then 76. Now in this question number 76, J ranked 18th from the bottom and 12th from the top. Now the same person. Now we are talking about the same person from both the ends. Hence what is your answer here? 18 plus 12, 18 plus 12, his position, 18 plus 12 minus 1. That means 29 persons as of now. Isn't it? According to his ranking, he is talking about 29 persons. And 10 boys did not participate in the exam and 5 failed in the examination. Now here he is talking about the students who have passed and 10 students did not attend for the exam and 5 students failed. 29 plus 9, 39 plus 5, total how many? 44 students. Then 77 onwards. Now in this 77, now how many persons are there? There are some 6 persons. KLM, NO and P goes for a botanical tour on 2 different dates, 12th and 27th on 3 different months. Now March 12th and March 12th and 27th. And similarly April and May. April 12th, April 27 and May 12th and May 27. Now 6 persons went to this tour on these 6 different dates. Now the first priority was the second priority now. Now it must be under first priority because only 3 months and 2 dates were given. In general, 4 months and 2 dates untai regular. The next one, M neither goes in the same month as L. That means M and L are not going in the same month, nor goes in the month which has less than 31 days. That means M is not going the month which has less than 31 days, and that means M is going in the month which is having 30 days. Now out of these 3 months, March, April and May, now 30 days and ekkada raval cheppandi. Now can be on April 12th or April 27th. Now saripinda? Hence, now here M neither goes in the same month as L nor goes in the month which has less than 31 days. Now M is not going in the month which has less than 31 days. Hence M is going in the month which is having 31 days. Ante kada? Neither goes in the same month nor goes in the month which has less than 31 days. 31 days less than ante poyindi kabatti nor going. Less than 31 ante ekkada ravali cheppandi? Nor which has lesser than 31 days. 31 days లేని మంత్లో 31 days కన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్న మంత్లో అయితే వెళ్ళట్లేదు అని అన్నారు. కానీ ఏప్రిల్ అయితే కాదు కదా, మరి ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళాలి చెప్పండి? అయితే మార్చ్ వెళ్ళాలి, లేకపోతే మే. మార్చ్ అండ్ మే, isn't it? Hence March and May, only one person between K and L. K goes on an even number. Only one in between K and L, and at the same time K goes on an even number date, but in the month, but not in the month which has 31 days. Hence where should this K? And K must be, and K goes on an even number date, K must be on April 12th. Mas saripinda leda? April 12th. If K is here one person between K and L, as one person between K and L, only one between K and L. What are the different possibilities we have? We can have L at this place or L at this place. Then L and M are not in the same month, and L and M not in the same month. Next one, which has 31, no one goes between P and N. Now P and N are adjacent to each other. N who goes on an even number date. Now N is going on an even number date, N must be here. Now N is going on an even number date, N is here. Now if N is here, P is here. No one is in between P and L. And next, coming back to this one, M neither goes in the same month as L. M cannot be here. Nor in the month which is less than 31 days, cannot be here. Hence this case is completely ruled out. Then coming back to the next one. Then where should this M here? M cannot be at this place. As M cannot be here, M must be in this one. Out of which M must be here. If M is here, N and P are adjacent to each other, P is here. Now if P is here, who is a person left or O is a person left? Then who among the following goes on 12th of April? April 12th K, that is choice 1. And who among the following goes on exactly between O and M? Exactly between O and M, tell me who is that person here? P. P, that is choice 478. And M is on which date? May 27th of May, choice 3. And how many are there in between after O? How many are attending after O? There are 4 persons, 4, that is choice 5, 80. Then 81, 4 out of the following means odd or not? April and K. K in the month of April, and L in the month of March, M in the month of May, N in the month of April, that is false. Hence, what is your answer? Choice for question number 81. Then 82, it is based on syllogisms here. Now only bottle is color means this entire color is a part of this bottle. This entire color belongs to only for a bottle. And this color does not belong to anything else other than this bottle. And some of the bottles are plastic and no plastic is blue. Now this is blue. Done? And first one, some blue or color is a possibility. Some blue or color is possible, that is false. Because these colors should not intersect with anything else. Then next one. What is the next one we have? And all plastic or bottles is a part. This entire plastic is a part of bottle. Plastic is local raskochu kada? Yes. Hence what is your answer? Only 2. Choice 1, 82. Then coming to this 83. And some glass or plate. Some glass or plate can be written like this. Glass and a plate. And no plate is bag. No intersection between plate and a bag. No plate is bag. And all these bags are what? All these bags are teas. And no plate is tea. No plate is tea, definitely true. Some glasses are bags. Some glasses are bags, that is false. No plate is tea, true. And you have to the false or anti some other plates are teas. Isn't it? Hence, what happened to this one? And no plate is tea, definitely false. Some glasses are bags in the, idu kuda false. Then what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2. Choice 2, question number 83. The next one, 84. Some fans are tables. Now these are the fans that are tables. Only a few tables are chairs. Some of the tables are chairs, but not all. Only a few tables are chairs. No table is door. No table is door means no intersection between table and a door. Then first one, some chairs are not door. Chair is a, door is a, some chairs are not door, definitely true. And second one is a possible. If false or into all chairs are doors and Japan. All chairs are doors and Japan. And door ila raval. Door ila vachindi anukondi. No door is a table will become false. Clear? And so what happened to this one? Alternate diagram true, false. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. And this conclusion will be true forever. సరిపోతుంది కదా? And all tables or chairs is a possible. Tables and chairs అవ్వచ్చు అన్నాడు. అంటే అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? And chair must be here. If you write down chair like this, now sir, this is the information we have. Only some tables are chairs but not all. Which implies that all tables or chairs is not possible. Hence, what is your answer? Only 1. And it is choice for question number 84. And in this 85, some books are papers. Now these are the books that are papers, a book and a paper. And all these books are what? All these books are pens. All these books are pens. And next one, some papers are clocks. Some of the papers are clocks. All clocks are books. All clocks are books is false. All pens are papers is again false. Hence neither 1 nor 2. Choice 5, question number 85. The next one, 86. Only a few desks are pad. Only some of the desks are pad but not all. So only some of the desks are pad but not all. And no pad is chair. No intersection between pad and a chair. And all these chairs are what? All these chairs are a part of this room. And some rooms are pads, that is false. All pads can be rooms. All pads can be rooms. Aye chance unda leda? This entire pads can be a part of rooms. Ila raskochu kada ma room manu. Right kada? Ee rendu kalavaledu, ee rendu kalapaledu. Hence it is possible or not? Possible. Hence what is your answer? Only 1 follows. Only 1. Only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 2, 86. Then coming to this one, 87. What is the word we have? Capture. C-A-P-T-U-R-E. And in this capture, all the letters in the word are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. That means A, C, E, P, T, P, R, T and U. All the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order from left to right. And then how many letters are there in the English alphabet between the second letter from the left and third from the right? Second from the left is C and third from the right is R. Now between C and R, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? Now C value anta 3, R is 18. In between another get to 13, 18 minus 3, 15, minus 1, that is 14. 14 choice 1. 87, choice 1. Then next one, 88. Now in this 88, some members are living in a family. How many members are there? There are some 7 members. Now they are living in a family in which there are 2 married couples. Now F is unmarried and sister-in-law of E. F is unmarried and sister-in-law of E annum. F is unmarried and sister-in-law of E. That means E's spouses and sister is F. F is unmarried and sister-in-law of E. Saripindi kada? And next one, and N is the son of O who is C's sister. N is the son of O. N is the son of O and O who is C's sister. C and O are siblings to each other. And C is the only son of R. Now N is the son of O who is C's sister annum. And C is the only son of R. That means R is here. R is having 2 children. One is O, the other one is C. Saripindi kada? And next one, R who is, C is the only son of R who is married to D. R and D are married couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons were done. These are the 3 persons who have. And next one, and R who is married to D. R is not father-in-law of E. R is not father-in-law of E. R is not father-in-law of E annum. Then, and next one, R is not father-in-law of E. R has 3 children. Now this R is having 3 children. R is not father-in-law of E. That means R must be the mother-in-law. And so D is the father-in-law. Then where is this F? And F is here. Now if F is here, then, and R has 3 children. F is again the children of this one. F, O and C. Now sir, E and O are married couple. Ante kada? And out of which, now who is the sister-in-law here? F is unmarried. And is the sister-in-law of whom? And is the sister-in-law of E. E ki sister-in-law. That means either this O or C should get married. Ante kada? And O or C should get married. Any other information regarding this one? My F is unmarried and sister-in-law of E. F is a female and sister-in-law of female. This C get married to either O or N. And next one, N is the son of O who is C's sister, and C is the only son of R who is married to D. R is married to D. R is not the mother-in-law. R has 3 children. Hence this E should get married to either O or to E, C. Ante kada? O or C. Then how many female members are there in the family? Ma cheppandi. N is the son of O. N is the son of O. O and E are married couple. తీసుకుంటున్నారా? Only 2 married couples. Only 2 married couples were there. Then, now how many female members are there in the family? And only 2 married couples are there in this one. అమ్మ ఇలా తీసుకుంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి మనకి? ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఓన్లీ 2 married couples కదా. Now O is having a child. O is having a child. Whether this O's spouse is there or not, that is not clearly given. అవునా కదా? By default మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నామంటే it is an assumption. Assumption means as O is having a child, unless and otherwise this O is married, that person cannot have a child అని assumption మీద వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Isn't it? Whether this O's spouse is living or not, that is not clearly given. Then according to you, మనం C ఇక్కడ తీసేసుకుందాం అయితే మరి C. But whereas in general we are not supposed to take like that. C ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం రావాలి చెప్పండి? O. And O is here N. As there are only 2 married couples, and this O and C get married. Now O is the only son. అంతే కదా? O who is C's sister. O who is C's sister కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఏం అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? O is a female. Then E is a male. If E is a male, then what about this C? C is the only son of R. Then, and how many female members are there in the family? మా ఫిమేల్స్ ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? There are 3 females. That is choice for question number 88. Then next one, 89. And how is R related to N? N's mother's mother, grandmother, that is choice 3. And how is F related to C? And F is the sister of C, choice for question number 90. And next one, if M is married with N, M and N are married couple, how is M related to E? M related to E means M is E's son's wife. Son's wife is daughter-in-law, choice for question number 91. Done with this? Then next 92. Now in this 92 to 96, there are some 7 persons and teaching 7 different subjects. geology, Java, and so on, and on different days from Monday to Sunday. On different days from Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday to Sunday. Now Monday to Sunday, these are the 7 dates we have. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then coming to condition number 1. Now according to this condition number 1, on Sunday but not necessarily in the same, 2 persons teach between the one who teaches microbiology and who teaches biotechnology. Now between microbiology and biotechnology there must be exactly 2. Microbiology and biotechnology, and how many persons? There must be exactly 2 persons between these. P teaches immediately before the one who teaches zoology, and P is immediately before the one who teaches zoology. P is here, and teaches after M. P teaches after whom? P teaches after M. No one teaches between Q and the one who teaches zoology. Now Q and zoology, there is no person here. Hence P, zoology, and Q must be together. And M is before this one. Now between M and P there must be exactly 2 people. M and P 2 people, and 1 person. T teaches neither pathology nor biotechnology. Now T, neither pathology nor biotechnology. Neither pathology nor biotechnology. 1 person teaches between M and the one who teaches pathology. Now between M and the one who teaches pathology there must be exactly 1 person, and 2 persons after N. Now 2 persons after N, N must be on Friday, and 2 persons after N, and next one there are 3 persons between N and the one who teaches pathology. And now 1, 2, 3, the one who teaches pathology is here. Now if pathology is here, between pathology and M there must be exactly 1 person. And together, if M is here, then P, zoology, and Q must be together. As P, zoology, and Q must be together, P is here, and immediately followed by whom? And P, zoology, and P and zoology are adjacent to each other or not? And P teaches immediately before the one who teaches zoology and teaches after M. P is immediately before the one who teaches zoology. Then whatever this one here, Q is at this place. Hence P and Q were like this. And we have done with this information. And M ki B ki mazli entamandi cheppandi? There must be exactly 2 persons between M and B. M and biotechnology, or microbiology and biotechnology, there must be exactly 2 people. My next information cheppandi, 3 persons between N and pathology. The number of persons teaches before M is 1 lesser than the number of persons who teaches after microbiology. And before M there are 2 people. Now this 2 is 2 lesser than, this 2 is 1 lesser than the number of persons after this biotechnology అన్నాడు. మరి మైక్రోబయాలజీ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? మైక్రోబయాలజీ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? దేర్ మస్ట్ బి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 3 people. Now here P must be microbiology. అమ్మ ఫాలో అయ్యారా? అండ్ M కన్నా ముందు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 2 members. మైక్రోబయాలజీ వెనకన ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 3 members. Now number of persons who teaches before M is 1 lesser than the number of persons who teaches after microbiology. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? మైక్రోబయాలజీ తర్వాత వెనకన 3 ఉన్నారు. 3లో ఒకరు తక్కువ అంటే 2 ఉండాలి. M కన్నా ముందు 2 ఉండాలి. And next one, the one who teaches electronics is immediately before the one geology. Electronics and geology must be adjacent to each other, geology. Then next one, T, M, P, O, and Q, microbiology and biotechnology. How many persons? There must be exactly 2. And this must be biotechnology. Now if this is biotechnology, ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది. Then these 2 persons are adjacent. Which 2 here? And teaches electronics is immediately before geology. This person teaches electronics and is immediately before geology. Geology is here. Done? And tell me what is the other subject left over here? And the only other subject that is left over is Java. And this Q teaches Java. And coming back to this one, this T, neither pathology nor biotechnology. Neither pathology nor biotechnology, T must be electronics. Then next one, O teaches either biotechnology or geology. Geology is not possible here, and so must be biotechnology. If O is biotechnology, the person who is left over is R, teaches pathology. Then how many persons teach between M and R? There is exactly 1, choice 392. And who teaches on Monday? R, choice 4. And P teaches which subject? Microbiology, that is choice 594. And 95, Q teaches on which among the following day? And Q teaches on Saturday, and that is choice 5. And who among the following, which among the following is the odd one? T, geology. Now T is immediately before this geology, and P, microbiology. P itself is microbiology. and Q Java, Q itself is Java. Choice 1 is the answer, 96. Then 97. Now what is the number given here? 5412789. 5412789 is the number. Now if 2 is multiplied to each of the digit which is equal to 4 or lesser than 4. Equal to 4 or lesser than 4, how much is multiplied? 2. And this is 8, this is 2, this is 4. And next one, 4 is subtracted from where? Not 2 is 1. 4 is subtracted from each of the digit which is equal to 5 or more than 5. And 4 is subtracted, this is 1, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this would be 5. Then, which is equal to 5, then how many digits are repeating in the number thus formed? Yes, is there any digit that is repeated here? And 8 and 4 repeated twice. And so only one digit, that is 4 repeated twice. 97, choice 2, question number. And 98. Now in this 98, it is based on set of numbers. Now in this, in each number, if the first digit and the third digits are interchangeable, the entire number is reversed. Then the newly numbers thus formed are arranged in descending order. Which number will be fourth from the left? Descending order is nothing but the second lowest. And fourth from the left hand. Fourth from the left hand, highest, second highest, third highest, and so on. And second least number. Among this one, second least number is 7, 6, 8, 1, 6. And the last digit చూస్తున్నాం. Last digit లో second lowest ఏం వస్తుంది? And 6 and 6. ఈ రెండిట్లో మనకు. And 632 and next one and 693. 632 and 693, which is the lowest here? And 632. 632 we are getting from 236. 236, choice 3, question number 98. 99. Now the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number. Then the sum of all the even numbers is how much more than the sum of all the odd numbers thus formed or not? Clear? Now the digits are arranged in the ascending order within the number. Now here 579 is the first number, isn't it? The next one, 2, 3 and 6. Now 2, 3 and 6, it is an even number. Next one, and 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, this is again an even number. And next one, 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6 is again an even number. And next one, 3, 6 and 9. And this 3, 6 and 9 is what? Odd number. Then we need to find out the difference between. And together, then what is the sum here? 9 plus 7, 6. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6 is 16. And 6 plus 3, 9. 966. And what is this sum? And now 12 plus 8 is 20. And 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 4, 16, 6. 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now the difference between these two. 966 and 860. What is the difference here? 966 and 860. Now the difference between these two is 106. Amma meeke ade vachindha vere answer vastundi. Now here in this one 579, sorry. Now ikkada 597 రాదు, 579 వస్తుంది. అవునా కదా? 579 అంటే ఎంత తగ్గించి చెప్పండి? And 79 కి 97. Now 18. Now if you subtract 18 from this one, 106 minus 18, 88, choice 1. సరిపోయిందా? 88, it is choice 1, question number 99. And coming to this 100, if 1 is added to the first digit of each number and 1 is subtracted from the second digit, which number will be the third smallest number? Now 1 is added to the first digit means, now this is 6, this is 3, 8 and 7 and 4. Then which number will be the third smallest? And which is the smallest here? First smallest, second smallest, third smallest is 6. That is 597, choice 2, question number 100. Clear now? Now this is our paper number 264. Now చెప్పండి ఇంకేనా మిగిలాయా? Number series. Question numbers please, number series 56 onwards. Now coming to question number 56 to 60. Now 132, 134 and so on. Amma చెప్పండి answer. 132, 140. 132 and 134 difference is how much? Plus 2. Now here the difference is how much? Minus 3. Next one plus 5. Next one minus 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 plus 11. 129 plus 11, 140. Now the prime numbers are added and subtracted alternately. 140, choice 2. And next one 11 and 20. 11, 20. Now difference is how much? 9. Next difference 20 and 38 is 18. Next one 38 and 74. 70, 36. Now 9 into 2, 18. 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 2, 72. 72 into 2, 144. 144, 46 plus 44, 90, 290. Choice 5, question number 57. Then 58. Now 34 and 38 difference is how much? 4. And 38 and 47 difference is 9. 47 and 63 difference 16. And 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Next one is 6 square. Now 6 square, 8 plus 6 is 4. And 1 plus 9 plus 3, 2. Hence 124, choice 158. Then 59. Now in this 59, 2.5, 2.5. Now Japan ela cheyali. 2.4. Now if you multiply the numbers. Now 24, 25, 52 elana kada raskoli. 52 blank, 640 and 3205. Now in this one, if you observe here, this is 24 to start in the 3000. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. That's into 1 plus 1. Again into 2 plus 2. Next one into 3 plus 3. And 52 into 3, 156 plus 3, 159. 159 divided by 10, 15.9, choice 4. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4 and so on. Then 60. Now in this question number 60, 1240. 300 into 4, 1200 plus 40. And here 90 into 3, 270. 270 plus 30. Into 3 plus 30, into 4 plus 40, into 5 plus 50. And next one, into 2 plus 20, saripenda ledo? Yes. Then into 1 plus 10. Into 1 plus 10 and 25. 25 into 1, 25 plus 10 is 35. And that is choice 3, question number 60. Done with this?